Hello students, in this video we will discuss about standard equations of hyperbola. Since standard hyperbola there are two types. First is its transversal axis along the x-axis. That means suppose this is the coordinate system and equation of axis of this hyperbola along the x-axis. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is the center origin. Then origin as the center of this hyperbola. That means if the center of hyperbola lie on the origin, then this is the first standard hyperbola, first type of hyperbola. Now coordinate of center is 0, 0 and this is the transverse axis. So A and B will be the vertex of this hyperbola and coordinate of this vertex will be A, 0 and minus A, 0 because OA equal to small a and OB equal to also small b, but this is in negative direction, so this will be minus A, 0. Since this is the F2 and this is the F1, that means this is the first focus and this is second focus, whose coordinate is C, 0 and coordinate of this focus is minus C, 0. Now what will be standard equation? What will be standard equation of this hyperbola? Standard equation of hyperbola will be x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. This is the standard equation of hyperbola where a is greater than b. Here axis of this hyperbola is the axis of is the x-axis. That means equation of axis of hyperbola is equal to y equal to 0. Now in the now we will discuss here second type of standard equation of the hyperbola. Since hyperbola means equation of hyperbola along the y-axis in the coordinate system, then this type of hyperbola is known as second type of standard equation of the standard hyperbola. Now in this situation, this is the vertex and this is the another vertex, but this is the conjugate axis. This is the transversal axis, because transversal axis is always a larger major axis and coordinate of this will be 0, b and coordinate of this will be 0, minus b. Since this is the f1 and this is the f2, means focus of this hyperbola, coordinate of this will be minus 0, minus c and this will be 0, c. Axis of this hyperbola will be y-axis. That means equation of axis of hyperbola will be x equal to 0, which is the equation of y-axis. This is the center of hyperbola at origin. So coordinate of this will be 0, 0. Now what will be standard equation of this type of hyperbola? Y square upon a square, y square upon b square minus x square upon a square is equal to 1, where b is greater than a. Means here transverse axis will be 2b and a conjugate axis will be 2a. Now in the next video we will discuss about latest rectum of hyperbola.